What's up, guys? It's your boy Justin, and today we're gonna unbox this is kind of the same video as we did last time. So subscribe to me and hit the like button. So we are gonna be reviewing the biscuit, So today we're gonna review 2 new fidget spinners I got a couple days ago. So first we're gonna see this one. It's colorful. You see? Spins for 2 minutes and 25 seconds. It's really good. So the next one is kind of little. It's so slow. It's the Captain America one. It's Captain America. What? It's so slow. Look at.
Yeah, that's so slow.
Shh. Don't do YouTube.
Oh.
She's so slow. We stopped. See? So here's the case. You see? I like this one. It goes really fast. It has no bearings or not. Well, you can hear inside that Julian singing the Rey Mysterio song. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button and comment down below if you like this or stuff. So peace. Smile every day. See ya. I know it's so short video, but peace.